So now we see what is object. In computer science, an object is a location in memory having a value and possible referred by an identifier. एक ऑब्जेक्ट वेरिएबल, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन हो सकता है. Objects are the key frame of OOPS. OOPS in the sense object oriented programming. हमारे चारों ओर ऑब्जेक्ट के कई एग्जांपल्स हैं, like a dog, a desk, a television set, your mobile. If we take some real world example of object, so we can say that example 1. Vikas take a set on a chair. Here Vikas and chair are the object. Example 2. Cat run on the road. Here cat and road are the object. Example 3. You are reading a book. Here you and book are the object. The real world object share two characteristics, state and behavior. If we take a real world object example horse, so we can say horse have a states like name, color, breed, age. Have behavior like grazing, playing, fence walking, crab betting, racing, mutual grooming. If we take an example of bicycle, so we can say the bicycle have states like driving seats, current gear, two wheels, number of gears, etc. It has a behavior like braking, accelerating, slowing down, changing gear. A software object maintains its state in a variable and implements its behavior with method. So we can say a perfect definition of object is an object is a software bundle of variable and related methods. अगर हमें रियल वर्ल्ड हॉर्स को सॉफ्टवेयर ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह पेश करना हो तो हम उसे एनिमेशन प्रोग्राम के ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में यूज कर सकते हैं. सेम इसी तरह बाइसिकल को हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एक्सरसाइज बाइक सॉफ्टवेयर के रूप में यूज कर सकते हैं. However, you can also use software object to model abstract concept. हर वो चीज जो ऑब्जेक्ट में है और जो ऑब्जेक्ट कर सकता है उसे हम वेरिएबल और मेथड्स के रूप में जानते हैं. If we show a common visual representation of software object, so we can say all the portions are the method and a rectangle, square and triangle are the variables of object shape. If we take a bicycle example in a software package and software object, so we can say a bike have a states like speed is 10 mph, pedal is 90 rpm and the gear is the fifth gear. If we represent a common visual diagram, so we can say the change gear, brake, change cadence are the methods and the speed, pedal and gear are the variables and 10, 90 and 5 are the value of that variables. These type of variables and methods are known as instant variable and instant method. हर वो चीज जो एक ऑब्जेक्ट कर सकता है पर दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं कर सकता उसे हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट में यूज नहीं करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम बाइसिकल और हॉर्स का कंपैरिजन करें तो एक बाइसिकल के नेम और एज नहीं होते. सेम वे एक बाइसिकल ग्रेजिंग, क्रिप बेटिंग और नेचुरल ग्रूमिंग नहीं कर सकती. Thus, the no variables and methods or states and behavior which we are using in a horse class, we are not included in bicycle class. The object, a nucleus system of variable. The conceptual picture of an object, a nervous system of variable packaged within a protected method, is an ideal representation of object. It is an idea that design of object into system strive for. Often for implementation of efficiency reason, an object may wish to explore some of its variable or hide some of its method. In many languages like C++ and Java, an object can choose to export its variables to other objects allow them. Also, an object can choose to hide method from other object. An object has complete control over whenever other object can access its variable and methods. एक ऑब्जेक्ट के वेरिएबल्स ऑब्जेक्ट के सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम होते हैं जो कि मेथड से घिरे हुए होते हैं. It is totally depend on a software object how many methods this object wants to hide from the other object and how many methods and variable it want to show to the other object program. So at last we can say that not in a real world but in a programming languages a horse and a bicycle are on the same level and that level is called object. That's all for today. Thanks for liking. If you dislike, please give your suggestion for the improvement. Bye.